Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off read receipts for your sent messages and chats on X, formerly known as Twitter. So let us guide you through it. Head over to X and log into your account, and after that click into More here on the left panel and select Settings and Privacy from that menu. Inside your account settings, head over to Privacy and Safety here, and here to the right head over to Direct Messages. Now what you want to do after that, guys, is, let me just zoom in a bit. Here to the right, disable show or read receipts. For example, if you turn this off, people you message here on X or Twitter won't know anymore that you have seen their messages. Basically, that's basically it. And yeah, these read receipts are, however, not shown on a message request, as you can see. So bear that in mind. So if you'd like to disable them, simply unselect that checkbox here to the right, and that should fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.